Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to increase your appetite. Firstly, start small and gentle. Eating a full meal might feel overwhelming instead. When you're not hungry, eating can feel like a chore, but your body still needs fuel, even in small amounts, to maintain energy, focus, immunity, and overall health. Whether you're recovering from illness, just eating a full meal might feel overwhelming. Instead, begin with small, soft portions. Focus on easy-to-digest foods like yogurt, soup, rice, oatmeal, and scrambled eggs. Avoid heavy, greasy, or spicy foods if your stomach feels sensitive. Secondly, eat every 2 to 3 hours, even if it's tiny. Instead of waiting until you're hungry, stick to a gentle eating routine. Try eating a few bites of something every 2 to 3 hours. Keep portable snacks nearby like nuts, granola bars, crackers, dried fruit, etc. Use reminders or alarms to avoid long gaps between eating. Appetite may fluctuate throughout the day. Some people feel hungrier because right after waking up, mid-morning and after a shower or a coffee, and after light movement or fresh air. Also, make it appealing. Sometimes the issue isn't food, it's how you feel about it. Try warming up your food to release smell and improve appeal, or add in comfort flavors or small garnishes like a sprinkle of cheese, drizzle or honey, and a dash of spice. Eating it in a pleasant environment, open a window, play music, and light a candle. Even small sensory cues can encourage your appetite. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.